Guys, today I have a big project. It's called Boom Crypto Market. Boom Crypto Market is the fast rising DeFi project with a professional marketplace, cryptocurrency assist listing and IDO platform powered by native token BCM. The project aimed to bringing absolute transparency and trust and decentralization to the blockchain and cryptocurrency space. A professional platform that builds trust through a smart contract that allows both service provider and buyers to execute contract without trust issue. We can see the DeFi, and you can read their white paper. I will give the link in the description. I built on the Binance Smart Chain. Nowadays the every project is coming to Binance chain because the Ethereum fees and lot of problems over there, and the DeFi Binance smart contract chain projects are looking so strong and good. And also I hope this project will be so good in future because they are working on the IDOs listing. Okay guys, and then we can see the token staking is 35%, pre-sale 25%, developing 10%, marketing 10%, and team 5%, liquidity and exchange 15%. Okay, the supply of the coin is 100k, hard cap 900 BNB, soft cap 300 BNB. Buy and sell services, crypto swap, staking, trust, currency watch, and also transparency. Okay, you can see the roadmap of the project in quarter. It has been start from the 2021 token mining and team formation, launch of listing platform, and quarter 2 launch of marketplace, and you can see, can go to the quarter 3. Okay, 2. Okay, launch of staking platform and staking reward with more crypto assists, and quarter 2 partnership and listing on exchange, launch of mobile app in quarter 4. Okay, and the audit and reports, contracts audit by Rockblock. Okay, check out the audit link on GitHub. Okay, uh, Boom Crypto Market, Binance Chain, MyWish, Rockblocks. You can see the project idea. The crypto market is a fast rising DeFi project and professional marketplace and crypto assist listing IDOs. Okay, listing IDOs. If you want to buy their coin, you just connect your wallet and their exchange also, and micro crypto and Binance. Okay, feature everything. I will give the links of their white paper and other information and their website link on the description. Okay, the project is looking so strong. We have seen later the pools coin is also uploading the idea on their projects. Okay, the most important thing of their supply is too much low. We can take easily 5x to 6x from this project. If you guys have any question about the project, you can ask me in a comment. Thank you very much. Bye bye.